Okay, stop. So dizzy. Okay, so guys, it's... Yep. So it's time for us to go inside the house. So let's go.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane.
Hi guys. So today is Thursday and we are here outside the house. Dahil wala lang, kasi may sun. Gusto namin yung sunshine. So magpapahangin muna kami ng sunshine.
Goodbye, Papay!
Okay, so
Bye! Goodbye, Papay!
okay. Magpasok na tayo, te.
No.
So papasok kami mamaya-maya lang guys para anong tawag nito? Magluto ng ginataang halo-halo or binignit. Today is Thursday and today is Huwebes Santo kung tatawagin kasi Holy Week. So, where are you going? Ayun guys. Oops, there's a car. Come here. There's a car. Wanna go to race? Okay. Okay, stop. So dizzy. Okay, so guys, it's... Yep. So it's time for us to go inside the house. So let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, speaking so... There's garbage over there. Let's go. Alright.
We're back.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa kusina, guys. And we're gonna go inside the kitchen and make the binignit. So, papakita muna natin sa inyo kung yung mga ingredients ng binignit. Okay, nandito na ang mga ingredients natin, guys. So, isa-isahin natin yan. Ito yung saging na saba. Yung pinakilala ko sa other video ko. Yung pinakita ko sa other video ko. Well, pinakita ko sa other video ko. Ngayon, nakaslice na sila and ready na for cooking. So, ito na yung saging na saba, guys. Ito naman yung yellow na kamote. Then we have the purple kamote or the ube. And we have Gabi. So, yan tatlo, guys. Essential yan para sa binignit or ginataang halo-halo. Of course, we have our sugar right here.
I'm here!
Okay, yan ang ating little chef. That's the sugar.
Oh no! What are you doing?
And we have the coconut cream or coconut milk. I think ito yung binili namin, guys, kasi kahapon namin binili para maging fresh. King.
Here!
We have langka. What's this?
Oh, langka.
So, naka-jar lang kasi naubos or naubusan kasi kami ng
Listen
fresh.
here. Look!
And this is sago.
Sago?
So, inano na namin siya.
I'm not
Pinagulaman
eating.
yan. Wiggle. Okay, no, sira, ate.
It's wiggle.
Alright, let's start cooking, King.
Look, it's wiggle.
King, let's start cooking.
Let's start cooking.
Alright. Okay, guys, of course, paiinitan natin ang kalan. At ito yung malaki nating kaldero. Okay, so lalagyan natin ng water. Next naman, guys, ilalagay natin itong kamote, itong yellow, purple, and gabi. Iboboil natin sila all together. Together, King?
Yes.
Alright.
Go, vegetables.
Slowly lang. Oops.
Get biscuit.
Okay, wag na iikit. Okay, good job. Tapos,
I don't like it.
cover natin at pakukuliin natin.
Let's go fetch vegetables. Vegetables.
Ayun. So, inaantay muna natin na mag-boil or mag-simmer yung mga ingredients. or mga kamote sa loob.
It's finished cooking.
Not yet finished. So, titignan natin. Okay? See? Ayun. So, nagsisimmer na siya, guys.
Finished.
Text is So, yun, nakita na natin ang kulay ng mga kamoteng yan.
This one is here,
Not
please.
yet. This one, ate. Then, ilalagay natin ang
Slowly, slowly.
coconut milk. Smell?
Plain.
Smells good?
Look, another coconut.
So, ilalagay natin ang
Let's go,
coconut
let's
milk.
go. Slowly, careful.
Careful, yes.
Go.
Alright.
Look.
What?
I will my jersey.
Okay. So, i-mix natin, guys. Para maging...
Look.
Wait lang, ate. Para maging, ano sila lahat. Mixed all together. Ooh, look at the colors. What color is this one? What color?
Orange and purple.
Orange and purple. Okay.
So merry.
Ayan, guys. Next.
Next one.
Ayan, guys. So,
I'm
nag-simmer na
reaching
siya.
right now. Look at me.
Ayun, nag-simmer na, guys. So, it's time for us to put the
That's already now. Yay!
sugar.
Sugar.
Brown sugar yung gagamitin natin,
A
guys.
brown sugar.
Depende kung ilang cups ang gusto niyo sa akin kasi gusto ko matamis. Kaya maraming sugar. Kaya maraming sugar, guys. So, i-stir na naman natin yan. Ayan.
Yummy.
Very yummy.
Very yummy.
And aantayin na naman natin, guys.
Yeah.
Mag-simmer.
Oh, no,
Boy.
again.
Okay.
I should.
Okay. Okay, guys. Gabi na. So, iti-check natin ulit. Ayun. So, madali lang naman siya, guys. Siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes mo siya to simmer na ganyan. After mong ilagay. And then now, ilalagay natin ang nangka. Ooh. Slowly. Ang sarap ng nangka. Ngayon, ubusin na natin. Kasi yun yung nakakasarap sa binignit or ginataang halo-halo. Yung may nangka. Yun. And then guys, ilalagay na din natin ang ating banana. So, daan-daan lang. Kagaya kanina, baka kasi ma-oops. Yun, oopsie. Ayaw. Lalagay na lang natin manually. Ayun. So, ayan guys. Nagbubukang binignit na siya, guys. Good job. Ayun. So, isisimmer na naman natin siya, guys, na mga 3 minutes. Mga ganun. Okay? Okay, guys. Check upin natin. Ayun. Ayun. So, it's time for us na ilagay na yung gulaman. Yung gulaman natin, guys, kanina, inano ko na siya. Pinakuluan ko na siya for 15 minutes. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Yan. So, see guys. So, yung mga maliliit na gulaman, for some reason, naging ganyan siya. Sobrang siguro. So, lalagyan natin ng, gulaman, guys. Ayun. Kasi itong gulaman din kasi, hindi kasi ako nakakita ng gulaman na circle-circle, yung maraming kulay. So, ito na lang muna yung binili ko. And, maganda siya guys kasi as you can see, o diba? Amazing. Sa mga ano, mas gusto ko rin kasi yung mga maliliit na gulaman guys. And they can also give a thicker, yung mga texture or consistency ng lulutuin. So, magiging thick din siya para malapot siya. Ayun, ilagay natin. Kasi, inaano ko eh. Baka kasi mapuno. Ayun! Oh my gosh! It's almost finished. Can't believe it. Oh. Ayun guys, so titingnan natin if ready na ba. Ayun, good job. So pwede na yan guys, pwede na natin siyang i-off. And ipi-plate na natin. So eto syempre kay Madam Baby Kungkong, Madam Baby. Konti lang, marami. Ayun. So, konti lang sa kanya, guys. Kasi, bata pa siya. Na, ito naman yung sa amin. Sige, ipi-plate na natin. Ayan. Tapos na ang binignit. Ayun. Makikita na natin ang ayun. Wow. Okay. Okay guys, so tapos na yung binignit na ginawa namin. And as you can see, napakasarap. So yummy. Kakainin namin yun ngayon. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe below and then comment and like.
I like.
Okay guys. And
Goodbye.
and see you again next time.
Next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Looked as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane.